Hey everyone, in this video we'll be adding decoration to our text. So this is H1. So let's say we put a decoration to it. So we have H1 and then curly braces. In here, so there's four main ways. There's the text decoration for line, color, style, and width. So text decoration. So the first one was line. And then we'll copy it for the rest as well. So the text decoration line, so there's actually multiple types of each of these. So we'll go through one of the examples. So text decoration line, for example, there's the overline and underline. And then so this one, it was color. And then style. So here, the color, we could say something like blue. And then for the style, we could say like dashed. And then for the thickness, we could say like 5px. Or we could write it as a percentage as well. So for example, like 20%, 60%. Yeah, so if we save that and run that, so there we go.